I wasn't expecting to play in the mid-teen frequencies.
No, you expect something really high.
I was expecting
like
40 hertz plus or something.
You
did good,
man.
man.
Low,
Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.
What I really like about small subwoofers, if you look at a piece of paper and you take and put a pencil through a piece of paper and you move it through the air like this, the edges of the piece of paper don't keep up with the middle of the piece of paper. So the paper does like this.
Okay, got it. Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Small cone area means that you have more control over the entire subwoofer face.
Makes sense.
So if you take and replace this with an 18, it won't sound as crisp because the edges of the 18 aren't doing the same thing as the center of the 18.
That's how the cone, okay, got it. I didn't think of it that way. Yeah, that's smart.
Yeah, so...
That was going to be one of my questions is why didn't you do 12s or 10s versus...
Right. I have found over the years, I used to play 12s, I've had an 18 before. The smaller the subwoofer, the more crisp of a sound you get, the more of it sounds like a real sound wave.
Yep. Nice.
He's got a demo real quick.
Here's your hat.
Yeah, thank you.
You're welcome. Wow. Are they 6.5s?
No, they're 8s.
8s, okay.
They're 4 8s. They're ZVX 8s by Scar, obviously. They're on a Scar 4500. Okay. Wired to half an ohm, but I do Subsonic. It's actually called. I do bottom out, no wall 1 with ACCL.
Okay.
I don't clamp over 2,500 watts on them. It's tuned to 23 hertz. It plays about 16. So we'll see.
16 hertz is like, so your goal is to tune really low?
Yeah, extremely low.
And have you tried, sorry, more questions.
Yeah, go ahead.
Have you tried the cubic space adjustment with mounting them regular versus inverted?
Yes, I have. It does go up, but what I'm actually doing is I'm putting wood inside of the box instead. Okay. I like the visual effect.
Yeah.
The way it is.
Got it.
And I do have a height restriction in my class. So the distance between here and here has to be exactly 12 inches.
Really? Okay.
I could make the box a lot taller, but I don't really want that. I want so this is exactly 12 inches.
Sweet.
Yeah, I've been.
Okay. And you adjusted your port area?
Yeah, the port area's been adjusted twice now.
Okay.
We adjusted it by putting 2 1/4-inch pieces of ply all the way down the length of the port. And then that helped significantly with power handling. Did it again, but this time with a single 2x4 all the way down.
Okay.
This box has been modified at least 12 times now that I can figure.
And you got it, you pretty much, as you modify, is improvements.
Yeah, if it doesn't improve, delete
reverse
it, and go a different direction.
And your battery bank, I'm sorry, I didn't see it.
Yeah.
It's hidden?
So there's, behind me is...
Well, I see it, okay.
There's a capacitor there.
Yep.
And then behind you, there is a limitless lithium 45 amp hour.
Okay. Got it. Yep.
And then there is stock battery under the hood, but it's not a stock alternator. It is a Mechman 370 amp.
Okay.
And I've done some vibrations and acoustics math for this particular system. I do have an engineering degree.
Sweet.
So
nice, man.
There's a lot more math behind this box than just like, let me throw it in a calculator and see what happens.
Yes, sir.
Awesome.
And your name?
I'm Dutch Holland.
Dutch. Nice
I do have a
Dutch.
YouTube channel.
Okay. What's it?
Under Dutch Holland.
Okay. Under Dutch Holland. All right.
Yeah.
Nice job.
Thanks, man.
16 to 28 was that Coca-Cola decaf.
Yes.
Oh, Gucci bean. Yep. Awesome. Thanks for the explanation too. That made sense. I've never heard that before.
Yeah, absolutely. I think $20. I think. I could leave you here so I'm ready to drive in back
What's going on, everybody? This is Jacob Vile. I hope you enjoyed that full walker. We got a Dutch Holland system at the Jacksonville, Florida Summer Showcase show. This was the specs on the SCAR website for the ZVX 8-inch subs at 900 watt RMS, so what these are rated at. Pretty beefy subs for an 8-inch speaker. He played down to 16 hertz in this demo we're going to be getting to. So if you notice the way he has that port modification on the side, adding that extra strip of wood really helps lower your box tuning, and your port adjustment. So if anybody's trying to tune lower, add a piece of wood in. Note that he's got the amplifier down to half ohm, so he's getting all the juice to this system. So 16 to 28 hertz demo we're getting to now. I do daily videos. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button for daily videos and enjoy.
Sweet. Thanks for all the info. I like everything.
Absolutely.
I'm ready to hear, man.
Switch windows so you can get a little bit more of a visual.
Okay.
You'll be able to video me a little better.
That's a different feeling to your ears and pressure when you're playing an 8 or even a 10. Like this small of a cone sub, that low. You did good.
Yes.
I appreciate the demo. I wasn't expecting to play in the mid-teen frequencies.
No,
on
no,
it.
you expect something really
I was expecting
high,
like
right?
40 hertz plus or something.
No,
You did good,
if it
man.
ain't low, I ain't playing.
Yeah.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOVILE when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.